Hi, I'm Kendra, and we're going to talk about a quick tip on how to change out your frosting colors without having to clean your decorating bag. So first, you'll just create a mound on some clear plastic wrap of your frosting. Then you're going to take the long edges and fold it over to the middle of the frosting. Just like that. Kind of pat it down to get some of those air bubbles out. Grab either end of the plastic, and then you're just gonna kind of twist it like this. And then you'll end up with two long plastic ends. So you're gonna feed one of those ends through your decorating bag, pull it all the way through, and then just cut that extra plastic off. Pick your decorating tip, put that on with your coupler ring, get my Twix-It to secure the open end of the bag. You're ready to decorate. Now, I finished my one cupcake, then as soon as you want to switch out to a different color, undo this, take off your decorating tip, and then you'll find the other end of your plastic, pull it straight out. You can see it's all still intact, and the inside of your bag is frosting free. So that's a very quick way to go ahead, do a lot of different colors without having to clean your decorating bag.